welcome back. Today we're with a Mercedes G63 463 edition. It's got quite a few extra options that you don't usually see on a G63, like a roof rack, ball bars, which is factory as well, skid plate. It's been basically sort of designed to go off-road, and the guy that owns it, my friend, he does take it off-road. He lives in quite farmy parts of England, like Dorset and all that stuff, so he does tend to venture out of London, which is where we are right now, which just seems to be the popular car in London, the G-Wagon. It usually is, because it just looks bloody cool, doesn't it? So yeah, let me walk you around this little bad boy. So these are the OEM ball bars, so from factory. This sort of what you see on the Middle East cars. And being a 463 edition, it's got the skid plates at the front.
What do they do?
Skids plates, yeah.
Cool.
It's got the 21-inch multi-spoke wheels as well that you get on the 463 edition. Again, it just looks stupidly cool. You can actually see part of the exhaust there if you zoom in enough.
It's got side exit exhaust as well, doesn't it?
It has, yeah. So this exhaust is not stock. It's an HMS exhaust. It's stupidly loud.
Literally, when the car pulls up,
Brabus B700. Yeah, exactly. When the car pulls
it's
up,
like an earthquake.
100%.
You can hear it from a mile away.
Just sounds like, you know.
Wait, do it again.
So obviously it's V8 bi-turbo. It's the M157 bi-turbo V8. This one produces about 605 horsepower with the exhaust and a slight remap to enhance the exhaust. Nothing crazy. Don't need a lot of power in these cars. It's not massively aerodynamic, as you can tell by the shape of it.
By the lack of
boxy.
aerodynamics.
Yeah. So to be specific, this is a Lennox roof rack. Don't know what it does. Pretty much, if you're hiking, camping, you can just bolt a few things on top and go from there. The red is a bit high, let me just turn it down. Sorry about that. This is the interior of the 463. As you can see, diamond quilted leather.
Oh, those are sick.
Very, very nice. And obviously, being a 463 edition, it comes with some carbon on the interior. So it just looks proper sexy. As well as the extended leather pack here.
I've never actually seen.
This is how you can tell it drives it off-road. Look at the dust on there. Look. Come on, Tyger, I'll give you a car in a wash, mate. No, I'm joking. I'm the same. I never wash my cars, to be fair, as well. We'll close this door. And see, they've even put carbon on the little door pullers there as well.
I've never seen inside a G-Wagon, but like.
What's your thoughts? It's a bit basic, isn't it?
It's a bit what?
It's a bit basic, like in the sense that it's nothing crazy.
Well, compared to the other AMGs, but still, like you would never expect that from such a from a big bulbous car.
Yeah, cool. This is the rear end of the G63. As you can tell, it's got the TV. These are useless. You can't even watch TV on them, basically. But they are good for maybe like pornography, something like that. You've got an SD card or some porn on it, just stick it in because there is an SD card slot there. So if you are a bit of a porn enjoyer, whack it on that bad boy. So this is also part of the Lenart, roof rack that you can buy. So it's like comes with a step. You can climb the ladder and obviously get on top. I'm not going to climb it, so don't even look at me.
It comes with a step.
So it comes with a ladder, which again I don't know what it does, but apparently it does things. Yeah, tinted windows for privacy. If you're shagging your bird in the back, or you just got a dog in there, maybe an illegal dog that's like a pit bull.
Dogging in the back.
Oh, Deliveroo. Go to Deliver Nando's, man. Anyway, obviously it's got the side steps. So I
didn't realise there was more side exit exhaust on this side as well.
Precisely, and one thing about this car is getting in it is quite difficult, as I will show you. So you sort of get in like that, slide in, and you can't actually fit. And this is useless because you're looking at it downwards. So I don't know who the hell.
You may as well just wank off.
But it has got heated rear seats, which I did not expect. How cool is that? Eh?
Sick.
Not too bad. I've never seen a car with heated
luxury.
seats.
This is the most luxurious car we've had on the channel.
It is the most luxurious, the most expensive. I think Tyger paid about 80 grand for this bad boy, which is a lot of money.
You know, mate.
No swearing. And yeah, otherwise that's pretty much it. But let me just double check the options list to make sure I've told you everything. So yeah, the M157 bi-turbo V8, HMS exhaust, Lenart roof rack, OEM bull bar, slight D-chrome, which are just these bits here on the side, which is D-chrome, usually come in chrome. Yeah, skid plate interior with carbon.
Is this factory paint?
It is factory paint.
That's sick.
Factory paint. You'll be able to tell by the interior, as you can see here, like the shuts are completely
Completely painted.
Completely painted, so not like the Yanamai's G63s or anything like that. Proper from factory. God knows how much it costs brand new. This must have cost in the hundreds or thousands of pounds. So what we're going to do now, I'm just going to give it a little start up, give it a few revs so you can just hear how pathetically loud this exhaust is. Do a few drive-bys, have a little ride in the car, and yeah, just the usual format, I guess you could say. So until then, we'll see you with the exhaust. Downshift. So obnoxious. It pops up cracks. Just a tad. And you can put it in eco mode and just carry on, right?
You can hear the whistle of the turbos like non-stop.
So good. Do not mind that at all. And you can just drive it normally, can't you? So you can carry on back you there. How do you find the exhaust? Do you find it intimidating or?
Very noisy.
Very noisy.
In a good way.
But would you recommend it over stock?
100%. Yeah, it just
Makes the car a bit more exciting, doesn't it?
when you drive it stock and then with this, you can't understand how they made it so quiet.
Yeah.
And why they did. And it's not valve from stock at all. It's always just open.
Yeah.
And so it's a bit. And it's a shame, I guess. Actually, when it can sound like this, just with a cat back.
So this fully decatted would be stupidly loud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'd be nuts.
And is the gearbox like DCT or?
It's just a 7-speed auto.
7-speed auto?
Which, I don't know, because it's so heavy and it's such an old school chassis and just sort of drivetrain itself.
Yeah.
It kind of shits itself sometimes.
Yeah, I feel you.
The way it builds speed is like crazy for such a big car.
3.2 tons.
Insane.
It's just a torque monster. It's all torque.
Wafter.
Yeah.
Well, no indicating why. I'll crap myself. If I saw this approaching my rearview mirror, I'd go mad.
Oh, bull bars, sorry.
With bull bars. And here we are, back at my little Avar. Awesome. And this is the interior, so it's got the locking diffs, right? Which one do you lock to go off-road? I don't have no idea.
All three.
All three. Has it got a low range
If in
gearbox?
doubt, use all three. Yeah, low range, click it right there.
Oh, someone's
And
angry.
that's it.
Keep recording.
Oh, crap.
Okay. And we're just going to exit.
Right, so leave it to my wife to drive away as well.
Can Hannah drive your car?
Yeah, she can drive it, yeah. Should I tell her?
She got the key?
Yeah, she got the key. Should I tell her to be out somewhere else? Right guys, so that was the video with Tyger's G63. Got a bit heated at the end. One of the residents around here got annoyed with the sound. But what can you do with a loud car like this in London? It's just the way it is. We were doing the speed limit the whole way, by the way, so she can't even get mad. That's just how loud the car is. Guys, just before we sign off, make sure you subscribe, like and comment. We've noticed a lot of our followers, not followers, a lot of people watching the videos are not subscribing.
88.6%.
88.6% of you are not subscribing, and it genuinely helps us grow. And there's police, I see, I literally see police lights here.
That's where we were.
There's police lights over there. All right, okay, we'll go.